I worked at Computer Futures for 5 years, and the market was very good, very positive. We're an IT recruitment business, but what was very buoyant at that particular time was the banking market. But I was very, very ambitious. I wanted our brand at the time to be the biggest brand in SThree. Computer Futures had a 10-year head start. Progressive were 5 years ahead of us. My aim was, right, how are we going to catch these guys up? How are we going to be better than them? So I was very, very ambitious. You know, at all costs, we were going to beat the other two brands. Between us and the others, we really cracked the banking market. The rest of the brands worked outside banking mainly. We were the first to diversify, so we moved into engineering, and we were the first to really go outside of Europe. So we opened up in New York and Hong Kong. So we didn't really copy the route that maybe the other brands. We found our own identity, we had our own goals, and I think that's why we were able to close the gap on the other brands at the time. I felt that our approach was slightly different from Computer Futures and Progressive at the time. We were very much client orientated. And to me, the important thing was how do you engage with your clients in a more effective way. The type of clients we were dealing with was slightly different. It was less SME, more multinationals, big investment banks. So to me, it was more of the client approach was really special about the way we worked back then. I think the brand now is really broken down into banking and finance. If you look at it, it's a global brand around the world. It's got strong local markets in engineering in the UK, and across Europe it's got a strong IT, engineering and sales and marketing. So it's still got the diversity, but the strongest brand globally will be, you'll see in banking and finance primarily. I think if you look at Huxley as a brand, I think it's the biggest player in the world in the banking tech market. That's no mean achievement. What it's achieved so far is massive. If I look at engineering now, if you look at the alternative energies that Huxley are now opening up in the UK, I think that can expand across Europe. And there's no reason why, if you look at the sales and marketing aspects of the business in Benelux, no reason why that can't be rolled out across the globe and Europe as well. So there are some clear paths across the whole Huxley brand, really.